the airline's dependency on budgetary support. Let me turn now to pending bills for the national and county governments. Mr. Speaker, the total outstanding national government pending bills as of 31st March 2023 amounted to Kenya shillings 537.2 billion, comprising of 450 billion for state corporations, semi-autonomous government agencies, and Kenya shillings 79.3 billion for ministries, departments, and agencies. During the same reporting period, the county governments reported pending bills of Kenya shillings 159.7 billion. The management of the pending bills is a challenge. In the public eye, will form an important benchmark, and in the public eye, it will form an important benchmark upon which the overall integrity of government style of financial management will be tested and judged. The delay in settling payments of pending bills has led to deterioration of financial positions of businesses, in particular micro and small medium enterprises, including business owned by women, youth, persons with disabilities. In view of the above, the National Treasury has prepared a cabinet memo requesting the cabinet to approve the establishment of a pending bills verification committee to carry out a thorough analysis of the stock of all pending bills and advice on how the bills would be settled. Once the outstanding pending bills are cleared by the verification committee, the National Treasury will direct all entities to ensure strict adherence to Public Finance Management Act of 2012 and clear pending bills as a first charge on the budget of the concerned entity in the